Was your name, Detective?
Detective Sergeant Mark Driscoll with the Trent Police.
Yeah, call him. Your name, ma'am? Ma'am?
Oh, Teresa Bebo?
Your Honor, for the,
Your
for the,
appearance.
for the record, just 30720.
Thanks.
I'd like to call you and the prosecutor in.
Prosecutors and what Judge Hess.
I could start off perhaps without the prosecutor, if I may.
Yeah,
Your Honor, I know Miss Riddle from some previous representation. She had a felony in front of this court for a preliminary exam, got found over. And after that preliminary exam, I was assigned a representative. She discharged me. There was no problems with that. It happens. And she went through a number of attorneys after that. And today, lo and behold, I saw her here. And I was going to represent her. She informed me that she'd rather have another counsel.
Mr. Bologna, your name?
Anthony Blank at the City Attorney, Your Honor.
All right, well, I don't know what to say on this. You don't get to pick your own lawyer. What did Mr. Schloff do wrong?
No, it's just that he did not represent me.
Well, I don't know what that means. I mean, I don't know what that means. You got to be more specific. He's a good lawyer.
All right.
Turn that microphone toward her, will you please?
He just didn't, I wanted him to be aware of certain things and handle things in a certain way. And I just not handle it with about.
On the other case? Yes?
Felony case.
Has he done anything wrong on this case?
Well, I mean, it's still, he's got that previous record.
What record?
Well.
You don't have a felony record, do you, or a misdemeanor record? What record?
Just, I mean, I didn't like how the previous,
Ms. Riddle?
hearing.
Can I, I'm just gonna have a candid conversation. Mr. Bologna, your name?
Anthony Blank, City Attorney.
Detective Driscoll, I got a disturbing call the other night about accusations that Ms. Riddle has levied against me.
Yes, Your Honor. If you need, for the record, I can send you a copy of.
Need it. I know.
Yeah,
I'll say it. I don't even know the lady. She was accusing me of sexually assaulting her, and she was accusing me and another judge of conspiring to hire a hitman to have her killed. I can still handle this case fairly. I think there's other issues going on. I'm ordering a competency exam on this.
Before we dive in, just a quick note. This commentary is created for educational purposes, designed to help those who may be confused or curious about courtroom processes. If you don't find it helpful, feel free to skip ahead. But for those who want a deeper understanding, stay tuned. It's about to get intense. What you're witnessing is no ordinary courtroom disagreement. The judge has just been confronted with shocking allegations while also deciding whether the defendant is mentally competent to continue through the legal process. This moment isn't about determining guilt or innocence. It's about ensuring the defendant fully understands what's happening in court before the case moves forward. Pay close attention, because the judge's next decision could completely change the direction of this case.
And I'm going to order it now, and I'm going to continue the bond, and we will have a competency exam, and that's it. I was like taken really aback. I mean, I've had accusations that are false levied against me in 32 years, but that's ridiculous. So, ma'am.
It was a tribute for the newspaper.
I think that you shouldn't get into the details at all.
Competency exam is ordered. I'm going to keep you on the case. You don't have the right to hire and fire court-appointed lawyers. If you're not happy with Mr. Schloff, you're going to have to be more specific. I'm not prepared to discharge him now. We'll see how the competency results come back, and we will go from there. And competency exam ordered. We'll set this for arraignment and pretrial. I'm guessing that they're taking at least 2 months, right? So why don't we set this up for sometime in the middle of April? And,
Will it be on a Thursday as well?
yes. And I'm not going to remove Mr. Schloff. You haven't given me any reason. I've been around Mr. Ma'am. I've been around Mr. Schloff enough in my career. I have a great deal of respect for him. I would find it hard to believe that he did anything wrong. And when we come back, if you still want him discharged, you're going to have to be a lot more specific about what he has done wrong in this case, okay? But I'm ordering a competency exam. You have to go down and get evaluated, okay? I think this is for your own good. We'll set it for a, ma'am.
You're gonna send me, I've already had, call our,
I can't hear you, ma'am. You got to talk into the microphone nice and loud.
I've already, worked with what I was trying to do was file charges with the Trenton Police Chief. And he has refused for the last 2 years to file any charges or complaints. And then they arrested me and that chief spit.
All right. I don't want to hear it.
I'm gonna file that.
I don't want to hear it. I don't have anything to do with that. I don't, listen. I'm going to send you for a competency exam. I think we can help you. Ma'am, do not argue with me, please. That's what I'm ordering. We're going to give her a review hearing.
This is one of those moments where courtroom procedure becomes incredibly important. Notice how the judge repeatedly avoids arguing about the defendant's accusations and instead redirects the focus back to the competency evaluation. That's exactly what experienced judges are trained to do. They separate emotional claims from legal issues that actually affect the case. What do you think? Is the judge handling this situation with patience? Or would you have taken a different approach if you were sitting on the bench? Let us know in the comments.
Date in the middle of April, and we will go from there.
She received a letter from
The Forensic Center. So we need to make sure, do you still live on Charlton Road, apartment 119?
I am, almost into Trenton Tunnel. They're just.
Ma'am, I just need your address.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
Do you live at 1795 Charlton Road, apartment 119?
My new address is general delivery because.
Ma'am, I can't tell the Forensic Center to send it to general delivery and have it gift to you. Tell
Judge,
me
if I can
What?
interrupt, she does not reside at 1795 any longer. She was evicted from that residence. She has a
Do you-
P.O. box in Trenton. I know she's moved from hotel to motel over the last several months.
what's her P.O. box?
Ms. Riddle, if you can provide that.
What is it?
248.
248?
Is there a specific?
So we'll send it to 248, but I hope you go and look at it every day because don't come in here when you don't show up for the exam and tell me I never got it. I didn't check my P.O. box. I don't know what else to tell you. You got what I'm saying?
Is there a specific post office where that box is?
Just in regular hotel.
It's in the city of Trenton, right?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, Trenton Post
I
Office.
just wanted to make sure.
So that's where we're going to send the mail. We're going to set a review hearing in the middle of April. When will that be, Heather or Amy,
Judge,
or-
we could do either April 9th or April 23rd.
Let's set it for April 9th at 9:30 in the morning. You go down the hall, get your notice, but you have to show up for the forensic. I want you to listen to me very carefully. Sometimes things go awry in our life. We have problems. We're going to try to get you some help. Just let me try to help you, will you please? And I think you'll find out this will work better. Detective, if there's something else to add, I'll be glad to listen. I see no reason for me to recuse myself at this point. I think it's just,
Now, I asked you to recuse when I was in Dorothy before, and,
you asked me to recuse myself?
Can you say before, during the pendency of this charge?
I don't think she's
It
ever been,
was when that girl, that she had 3 vicious unleashed dogs
ma'am,
that attacked me,
ma'am.
and I asked you to recuse.
Well, okay.
that day.
I have to have a basis for it. I have to either be biased for you or against you. And ma'am, please don't interrupt me. You have a tendency to interrupt people. There's nothing here that makes me biased for you or against you. Okay? Your allegation's so ridiculous, it's laughable. I'm not getting into this anymore. Go down the hall, get your review hearing date. I'll address the issue with Mr. Schloff when you come back. You got to show up for your examination, and we'll let it play out. That's it. Have a good day.
Can I request the FOIA in the court hearing?
Request what?
The FOIA from that court hearing,
What court hearing?
the one where I asked you to recuse yourself.
Ma'am, I don't even know when it was. I don't remember. Well, then you request it, you pay for it, and we'll be glad to type the transcript up. I don't care if you did or not. I'm not biased for you. I'm not biased against you. This is the way I do my job every single day. I'm not going to hear it anymore. Back away from the podium, go to the exam, go down the hall, get your notice, and I'll address all these issues then. Thank you. Jermaine Sean Hall Jr., 25G306-346 A, B, and C. Back away from the podium, Ms. Riddle. All right, come on up here, ma'am. Ms. Riddle, back away from the podium, ma'am. Now, don't make me do something I don't want to do. Back away. You go to state as a lawyer, detective. You know that?
Sometimes it's easier, Judge. I understand.
Oh, they think what I do is easier. Come on up here. I'm just kidding. Mr. Hall, your name again. Ma'am, your name? Are you Sarah Ann Levitt? Tell me that and respond to that. You have 3,010%. Are you going to let Mr. Hall apply this to the bump to these fines?
Sorry.
You posted a bond of $300. That means he has $270 to apply. I need your permission as to whether or not you're going to let us apply the bond to payment of fines and costs. Okay, good enough. You're going to go down the hall and deal with them in a second. Let's sentence on the no ops. Anything, counsel?
Nothing more except he's been trying to clear up his record.
Anything, sir?
Trying to pay him a lot more, honestly.
100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 3.25 or 60 days. You have a bond of 3,010%. By law, we keep 10%. 270 will apply. I'm going to give you until March the 1st to pay the other $55 on that. On the other case, I told you I'd waive the fines on the defective equipment, file A, I am. And on file C, you're to pay $50 per week. $50 per week, beginning March the 15th, okay?
Sir.
And if you don't have the money, you come talk to me in person on or before the due date, or if you know how to use Zoom, you call the court, say, can I jump on Zoom with the judge? I'll be glad to talk to you.
Oh, David Jones.
So Ms. Wolf, they offered it impeding. She got really upset, said she didn't understand. This was at the department rep hearing. And even though she's not here, she sent me some kind of a letter. I didn't read it about how I didn't understand, and maybe I didn't. I don't know. I think I did. I think she was just playing with me. But any problem with me reducing this to impeding?
No, Your Honor, I had written her the 2 citations, and I actually told her if she was able to renew her license, her plate, I would dismiss that ticket, and I figured that she would be on her meeting. I had no problem whatsoever.
So I'm going to indicate the fault judgment, but police officer agreed to reduce to impeding on file A, which she was offered but declined, got upset, whatever you want to call it. And fines costs here, Amy, will be $150. If they have a way of communicating, tell her she can pay $15 per month beginning March the 7th, and the 7th of every month thereafter. You all right with me? I don't think she got her plate renewed, or at least I have no evidence of that. You all right with me just dismissing that?
I did check her on. I mean, she did renew it.
She did.
She did.
Wow. Motion of the officer, so you make that motion to dismiss that?
Yes. sure.
So we'll dismiss the expired plate just to give her a break. She seemed like she didn't have a lot of money and just think that's appropriate. Thank you. How long have you been there now?
Just shy of a year, I retired from the city of Taylor.
Yeah. Okay. It's just hard to keep up anymore, you know?
So it's my 20th year.
Good for you. I'm in my 42nd, 43rd as a lawyer, and
Amen.
have a good day. Thank you. How you doing? You just want to come in and say hi?
Just need John.
I think he just walked out about 2 minutes.
This hearing ultimately became less about replacing an attorney and more about protecting the integrity of the legal process. The judge declined to remove appointed counsel because no specific misconduct had been shown, ordered a competency evaluation to determine whether the defendant could meaningfully participate in the proceedings, and scheduled the case to continue once those results were available. Regardless of personal opinions, the court's responsibility is to balance fairness, due process, and the proper administration of justice. Cases like this remind us how complex courtroom decisions can be when legal issues intersect with possible mental health concerns. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.